We are going down the canals this week to a pirate festival. That's why I'm dressed like a pirate. We take our dinghy instead of taking the Friki Tiki. Hey, I see something over there coming our way. Oh, it's Apple and Rob from Apple and Rob Adventures. Hey, Apple and Rob. Hey, we did run into Apple and Rob at the Pirate Festival. How cool is that? We run into each other quite often. Yep, there's some really cool cannons here. They actually did fire the cannons a few times. We got there a little bit late. They already fired them when we got there. But we heard them from probably about 2, maybe 3 blocks away. That was pretty cool. And our little dinghy, the Squeaky Tiki, is dressed up for the event as well. We put a fake sail, so no, it's not really sailing. We're motoring the whole time, and we put our pirate flag, our Jolly Roger. So we have a pirate ship. So this is the 2nd annual Pirate Festival in downtown Fort Lauderdale, right there by the water. It was a good time for the family. A lot of people dressed up as pirates. There was live music. It was fun. Seeing that we were gypsy pirates, traveling musicians, my son broke his ukulele string and I had to fix it. So, yeah, that's what I was doing. But he paid the price. This is what happens when you break things and you have your dad fix them. You get locked away. Want a nicey? Well, yeah, that thing that you see there where those kids are running in that circle barrel, they are actually making their own snow cone. Well, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this Friki Tiki adventure because the Friki Tiki was at home. But we are headed back after this nice little pirate festival. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. We'll see you next time.